Hello, my name is Jeremy Concepcion. We're here at the Bottle in downtown Huntsville, Alabama. Today I'm going to show you one of our newest signature concoctions off of our fall menu, the Short Fall. It took us a while to get this recipe together. We knew we wanted to do a pumpkin drink, but how do you do a pumpkin drink that isn't absolute garbage? Well, a few weeks later, with many errors, we finally settled on doing a roasted pumpkin shrub infused with bay leaf. And around that, we built the rest of the cocktail. But let's go ahead and jump right into the demonstration of Short Fall. We start the cocktail by chilling our glass. Today we're going to be using a coupe. Start with a few drops of salt, a few dashes of chocolate bitters, right around a fat quarter-ounce of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. We add some of our roasted pumpkin shrub infused with bay leaves, which is really the center of the recipe. We took some Aperol, which is an Italian liqueur, very bright, kind of reddish pink. So we took the Aperol and infused it with various spices: vanilla pods, star anise, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg. Next up, spiced rum from Colorado. This is Breckenridge, but also a brewery. What I like about this rum though is it's not so sweet like Captain Morgan or Admiral Nelson. This is actually kind of dry spice. Next, one of our favorite ingredients, Western Grace Spanish Brandy. So you can probably tell by now that this isn't exactly the most traditional pumpkin cocktail. Now we're gonna give it a good shake. Empty out our now chilled coupe glass. I'm actually gonna double strain this cocktail. I don't want all of the ice chips floating around with it. It changes the texture and the dilution of the final cocktail. Really pretty kind of cloudy peach color, which this is a cinnamon churro marshmallow that our lead server Lance recommended we garnish the drink with. Great idea, Lance, you rock. We're just gonna brulee this marshmallow. It smells really good. So we're gonna skewer that marshmallow right over the drink. Now I've got a coffee bean from Honest Coffee. Just gonna grate it, a little bit of coffee for a beautiful roasty chocolatey aroma. And there you have it. That is the Short Fall. Delicious. Gotta have the marshmallow. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little cocktail demonstration. Come to the Bottle and try it. Otherwise, if you don't know, our wine dinner is about to happen. Our fish and game wine dinner on the 22nd and 23rd of October. I highly recommend you come to this. It's gonna be awesome. There's 7 courses of fish and game. Gonna be great. Plus you can try one of these Short Falls.